The Glockemann water-powered pump needs no petrol, electricity or diesel fuel. Just a creek or a stream and a small drive head as low as 0.5 of a metre. Capable of lifting water to a 200-metre head, the Glockemann keeps running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with little attention. The operation of the pump is very simple. Using a flow of water falling as little as 0.5 of a metre, the water flows down the drive tube into the diaphragm chamber and out the exhaust valve. Now the water pressure against the valve slams it shut. The water pressure inside the diaphragm chamber increases, causing the diaphragm to extend and the piston to move forward in the piston bore, forcing water through a non-return valve and up the delivery pipe. At the end of the push stroke, when the energy is spent, the pressure in the diaphragm chamber drops and the exhaust valve springs open. A large return spring pushes the diaphragm back. The piston pulls back in the piston bore, drawing water in through the lower non-return valve. The Glockemann pump has been designed using standard parts wherever possible, and most are readily available if they need to be replaced. The casing is cast iron. All fasteners, fittings, springs and other parts are stainless steel. Inside the casing is a piston rod, diaphragm plate and a rubber diaphragm fitted to the main casing. The large return spring is fitted over this. The cylinder support housing is fitted and fastened with nuts. A washer is fitted over the piston rod. Then a rear cup support, leather cup, inner cup support, fastened with a washer, spring washer and nut. A piston bore fits inside the return spring and a gasket and cylinder head are fitted. There are 3 adjustments which control the valve. They are the main spring adjustment, the throttle adjustment and the auto start adjustment. The pump is placed in the water, the cylinder head is primed and the priming plug replaced. The throttle is now opened and the water flow immediately starts the pump. You can see the diaphragm moving back and forward, drawing the water through the inlet into the bore and pushing water out to the storage tank or dam. There are 2 different sizes of Glockemann pumps, the 320 Oasis and the 160 Water Dragon. The Glockemann system is scalable and much larger models are possible. The Glockemann is able to deliver water to remarkable heights using a small fall. It achieves this by managing the load using a system of interchangeable bores. Small diameter piston bores for lifting to high heads, or when using smaller, less powerful falls. Or the larger diameter piston bore for lifting to lower delivery heads, or when using more powerful falls. Select the bore diameter to suit your fall and delivery needs. Because the Glockemann pump needs only a small fall, it can be installed virtually anywhere. No need for long straight drive tubes. Plastic tube with 30, 45 or 90 degree elbows can be used to suit your site. If your site has a large river, position your pump out of harm's way and secure your pump and the drive tubes firmly. Now using the very small fall, the Glockemann will quietly pump continuously to supply your property, which may be as high as 200 metres above the water supply.